One of the things that can save you a lot of time with Mylio photos is editing more than one picture at once. Let me show you how. I'm going to go ahead and select my first photo here in the series and open up the edit pane here on the right. I'm going to do a quick edit by doing auto color, and I feel like that oversaturated it a bit, made it a little too blue, so I'm going to warm that up by pulling the temperature slider to the right. And I'm also going to reduce the highlights, so that's going to darken down the brightest areas of the photo. And I'm going to add a little bit of clarity and perhaps pull back on the vibrance. Now I think that looks pretty good. It's a nice edit. And there's several other pictures that were shot at a similar time that I want to give the same look to. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of this panel. Under edits here, there's copy and there's paste. So I'm going to go ahead and choose copy and then hit the back arrow here, go back to my grid view and select a few other images. So I'm going to go ahead and get these three, and you can hold down the Command or Control key on the keyboard to do that. And then simply go over here to the edit panel and choose paste. And you'll see all three of those images just updated. And if I want to, I can go into any one of these images and fine-tune those if needed. Editing multiple images in Mylio Photos is that simple.